Today we are going to see a theorem regarding the connected components, number of vertices in a graph. Okay, that's the statement of the theorem. We already have written it in the last lecture. The maximum number of edges in a simple graph. So this is very important to remember and understand that it is a simple graph. That means it doesn't have any loops and parallel edges. The maximum number of edges in a simple graph with n vertices and k components is n minus k into n minus k plus 1 divided by 2. So last time I had given you examples also where I think I had considered n is equal to 10 vertices and k equal to 4 components. So these 10 vertices you can divide like 5 vertices in one component, then 2 vertices in one component, 2 vertices in one component, likewise. So these are 4 different components. And how many edges are there in this graph? How many edges you can see? Girls, do you hear me?
7.
7 edges are there.
Yes, ma'am.
So does it satisfy the theorem?
No, ma'am.
So the theorem says maximum number of edges, okay? It doesn't say exactly equal to n minus k into n minus k plus 1 by 2, okay? So if you substitute in this formula, it should be 10 minus 4 into 10 minus 4 plus 1 by 2. That is 6 into 7 by 2. That is maximum 21 edges will be there. Right? Are you getting it, girls?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
यस सो 21 एजेस अगर आपको अचीव करनी है तो आपको वो ट्राई एंड एरर मेथड से करना होगा. यू हैव टू टेक सी आई कैन टेक suppose I take a complete graph here on 4 vertices. So 6 edges are there. Then I can take a complete graph on 5 vertices also. Then I will have 10 edges here. 10 plus 6, 16. And these are 9 vertices and single vertex. So 16 edges are here, okay? So likewise, you can try some more, okay? Have you understood what I'm saying, girls?
Yes, ma'am.
You can have 2 times K5, complete graph on 5 vertices. So 10 plus 10, 20 edges will be there. So we are saying maximum 21 edges, okay? Not beyond that, otherwise it will not remain a simple graph, okay? So there are different possibilities. Now we want to prove this, and I think we had written the last statement was summation ni is equal to n, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, so here we are going to make certain mathematical adjustments. So write down, as G is simple, each component Gi is also simple. right? Graph is disconnected. It has different components and each component is a connected graph. Each component is a simple graph. No component has loop or parallel edges. Okay? Is that clear to you all?
Yes, ma'am.
Therefore, maximum number of edges in GI कितने होंगे बताओ? किसी भी सिंपल ग्राफ में अगर मैंने ग्राफ लिया एक फोर वर्टाइसेस पे ग्राफ लिया, ये ग्राफ सिंपल है क्या बताओ? इज इट अ सिंपल ग्राफ?
Yes, ma'am.
एंड हाउ मेनी एजेस आर हियर राइट नाउ?
4.
4. मुझे बताओ मैक्सिमम कितनी एजेस होनी चाहिए कि ग्राफ सिंपल है और उसमें मैक्सिमम एजेस है 4 वर्टाइसेस? कितनी एजेस हो सकती है?
Half.
और एजेस बढ़ा सकती हूँ क्या मैं इसमें? कैन आई इंक्रीज एनी मोर एजेस?
Yes.
कैन आई इंक्रीज एनी मोर एजेस इन दिस ग्राफ?
Yes, ma'am.
Which edges? These two non-adjacent, I can make them adjacent. And the graph becomes, which type of graph is this?
Complete.
Complete graph. A complete graph is a simple graph, right? So किसी भी ग्राफ में मैक्सिमम कितनी एजेस होंगी? जितनी उतने नंबर के कंप्लीट ग्राफ पे होंगी, है ना? राइट? सपोज आई कंसिडर 3 वर्टाइसेस का ग्राफ ऐसा कंसिडर किया, तो इसमें मैक्सिमम एजेस कितनी हो सकती है? इफ आई मेक दिस कंप्लीट इट विल हैव 3 एजेस. आर यू गेटिंग द पॉइंट?
Yes, ma'am.
So maximum number of edges in a simple graph will be n into n minus 1 by 2. That is the number of edges in a complete graph. Okay? Getting the point?
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ, तो अगर GI ये कंपोनेंट है, हमने क्या कंसिडर किया कि G1 में N1 वर्टाइसेस है. देखो पहली first see the first line of the theorem. Let G be a simple graph with n vertices and k components. If G1, G2, Gk are k components of G having the vertices N1, N2, Nk respectively. तो GI में कितने vertices होंगे? कितने होंगे vertices? Ni. Are you getting it? This N1 is the number of vertices in G1, N2 number of vertices in G2, Nk is number of vertices in Gk. So how many vertices are there in GI?
Ni.
Ni. ith component, okay? ith component में Ni vertices होंगे. तो Ni vertices के ग्राफ में मैक्सिमम कितनी एजेस हो सकती है? कितनी हो सकती है? Ni इंटू Ni माइनस 1 बाई 2, राइट? कंप्लीट ग्राफ में कितनी एजेस होती है? n इंटू n माइनस 1 बाई 2. आर यू गेटिंग दिस आर्ग्यूमेंट और नॉट?
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ, ओके. तो ऐसे हर एक ग्राफ में, मतलब ये जो है G1, इसमें मैक्सिमम एजेस कितनी होंगी? N1 इंटू N1 माइनस 1 बाई 2. जिसमें N2 वर्टाइसेस है उतनी मैक्सिमम एजेस कितनी होंगी? N2 इंटू N2 माइनस 1 बाई 2 एंड सो ऑन. आर यू गेटिंग इट?
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ, तो मैक्सिमम एजेस, तो टोटल एजेस कितनी होंगी? जब मैं मैक्सिमम कहती हूँ मतलब एजेस ज्यादा से ज्यादा उतनी है या उससे कम है. जब मैं मैक्सिमम नंबर ऑफ एजेस इन GI इज Ni इंटू Ni माइनस 1 बाई 2 कहती हूँ, मतलब एजेस या तो इतनी है या इस नंबर से कम है, not more than this. Okay, and therefore total number of edges in G is less than or equal to summation Ni into Ni minus 1 by 2. I goes from 1 to K. Okay? Are you getting this argument?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Now we will just expand this particular thing. Therefore, maximum number of edges in G is less than or equal to half summation Ni square minus half summation Ni. I just have splitted it. Okay, ये जो है ना Ni into Ni square हो गया, Ni into minus 1 minus Ni हो गया. Half I have taken outside. Okay. So this is less equal. Now what is summation Ni? What is summation Ni?
N.
N. So it will become N by 2. N1 plus N2 plus up to Nk is equal to N. So now I am doing certain mathematical adjustments. I want to introduce components here. So what I am doing, if something is less than this particular number, half summation Ni square, if the maximum edges, number of edges, I will write not maximum here, I will write total number of edges. Total number of edges is less than, suppose 10. Total number of edges less than 10 है. So मैं 10 से एक छोटा नंबर और लेती हूं. So what I am doing now, I am introducing components here. Half summation Ni square 1 to K minus K minus 1 into 2n minus K minus N by 2. Why I am writing this? Since summation Ni square is less than, अगर Ni square से मैं कुछ subtract करती हूं तो वो Ni square से छोटा होगा ना? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
So Ni square से मैंने Ni square is less than equal to wait, Ni square is less than or equal to n square minus K minus 1 into 2n minus K. This you can verify with the help of any graph. Please verify this with the help of any graph, girls. Okay? And therefore, total number of edges in G is less than or equal to half into bracket n square minus K minus 1 सी दिस इज डिफरेंट. ni स्क्वायर है ये. ni का स्क्वायर की एडिशन. ओके, that means if your graph has 10 vertices and components are 4, so पहले component में मैं 4 vertices ले रही हूँ, दूसरे component में मैं 3 ले रही हूँ, तीसरे component में भी मैं 3 ले रही हूँ. So n1 is 4, n2 is 3, n3 is also 3. Then I am taking n1 square plus n2 square plus n3 square. That is equal to 4 square plus 3 square plus 3 square. Do you understand this, girls?
Yes, ma'am.
और ये जो स्क्वायर है, this square is less than this n square. That's what we are saying. See, 4 square is 16. 16 plus 9 plus 9 कितना होता है? कितना होता है? 34. And what is n square? N is 10. What is n square?
100.
100. So आपको ये समझ में आ रहा है? समेशन ऑफ ni का स्क्वायर, ni स्क्वायर की जो समेशन है, हर एक नंबर के स्क्वायर का समेशन इज लेस देन 100, राइट? इज लेस देन n स्क्वायर. ओके, this is the meaning. Please try to understand this. Finished writing? Finished writing?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
And now you solve this. Therefore, total number of ages is less than or equal to, again I am writing the same thing because I want to solve it, 2n minus k minus half n. So that is less equal. So you can solve it. Half you can take common. So it is n square minus k minus 1 into 2n minus k minus n. So half in the bracket n square minus, suppose I will multiply this first, 2n k minus 2n minus k square plus k and minus n. So this is less equal half n square minus 2nk plus 2n plus k square minus k minus n. So ये 2n और ये n जाएगा. So I will have only 1n here. Okay. And you can take something common. What you can take is n minus k. You have n minus k. And then you have n minus k. Suppose I write together. Half is as it is. Plus n square minus 2nk plus k square. So this is half into bracket n minus k plus n minus k the whole square. Correct? So I can take n minus k common. n minus k common लिया मैंने, तो अंदर बचेगा n minus k plus 1 and divided by 2. Okay? Those who are very good at algebra, they can understand this easily. That's why school algebra is very, very important. finished?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So now we have a corollary. So what is the theorem? Theorem says that, देखो मैं theorem लिख रही हूँ, इसकी corollary भी लिखते हैं. If G has n vertices and k components, then maximum edges in G is equal to n minus k into n minus k plus 1 by 2. And now the corollary is a simple graph with n vertices, sorry, and more than n minus 1 into n minus 2 by 2 edges is connected. Okay. Now here we are talking about connected graph. In the theorem we spoke about disconnected graph, right? Do you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So see, say for example n is equal to 6 है, and according to this corollary, if n minus 1 n minus 2 by 2 से ज्यादा एजेस है, मतलब 6 minus 1 into 6 minus 2 by 2, that is equal to 5 into 4 by 2, that is 10. 10 से ज्यादा एजेस है ग्राफ में, ओके 10 से ज्यादा एजेस है तो ग्राफ मस्ट बी कनेक्टेड. ओके, ऐसा कह रहे हैं हम यहाँ पे 10 से ज्यादा एजेस. डू यू अंडरस्टैंड इट? सो इसका प्रूफ लिखते हैं फटाफट. In a simple disconnected graph, G, the number of edges E is less equal n minus k into n minus k plus 1 by 2. By above theorem. Yes. Now equivalently, tell me इसका कॉन्वर्स बता सकता है कोई मुझे? If graph is disconnected, then E is less equal this. So what is the converse of this? Or contrapositive? Can you tell me contrapositive of this? P implies Q का कॉन्ट्रा पॉजिटिव क्या होता है? Anyone recalls logic from semester 1? It is negation Q implies negation, right? So if a simple disconnected graph, in a simple, if the graph is disconnected, then E is less equal this much. So इसका contra positive होगा if E is greater than n minus k, negation of this Q. This is your Q statement and this is your P statement. So negation of Q will be E is greater than n minus k into n minus k plus 1 by 2. Then G is क्या होगा? Connected. Are you getting it?
Yes, ma'am.
But now if I put n is equal to 1, okay? So put n equal to 1. G is connected अगर है, sorry, k equal to 1. G is connected, therefore components equal to number of components equal to 1 होता है. Okay? Put k is equal to 1. तो क्या होगा? If E is greater than n minus 1 into n minus, कितना आएगा ये? What it will be?
2.
E is greater than n minus 1 into n ना? Upon 2. Right? तो एक बात बताओ मुझे कि अगर किसी भी ग्राफ में n वर्टाइसेस पे n इंटू n माइनस 1 बाई 2 से ज्यादा एजेस हो गई तो आप क्या कहोगे? What you will say? Will the graph be a simple graph? G is connected होगा, but the graph will be a simple graph?
Yes. No.
How comes? A simple graph has maximum how many edges? I showed you na just now that a 4 vertices graph, how many maximum number of edges a simple graph can have? The number of edges the complete graph on those many vertices has. ज्यादा से ज्यादा 6 होंगी, 6 से एक भी ज्यादा हो गई तो क्या हो जाएगा? Either it has a loop or it has a parallel edge set. Okay? Are you getting it, girls?
Yes, ma'am.
So, but in this case, graph won't be connected. In this case, sorry, graph won't be simple. So we put k equal to 2. We put k equal to 2. Therefore, k equal to 2 डालने से क्या होगा? E is greater than n minus 2 into n minus 1 by 2. Then G is connected and simple also. Okay, for example, देखो अगर मैं 4 vertices ले लूं, 4 vertices में 4 minus 2 into 4 minus 1 by 2. So that is 2 into 3 by 2. So मैं 3 से ज्यादा edges ले लूं, अगर 3 से ज्यादा edges ले लूं तो ग्राफ कैसा होता है? Definitely simple and connected. Is that okay?
Yes, ma'am.
देखो n इंटू n माइनस 1 बाई 2 से ज्यादा एजेस मतलब 4 इंटू 3 by 2, that is 6 से ज्यादा एजेस अगर होती है, E is greater than that, means E is greater than 6 अगर आप लेते हो, greater than 6, so it won't be a simple graph. It should have a parallel edge or a loop. Okay, but when you have greater than n minus 2 into n minus 1 by 2 edges, then graph must be connected. Okay. So tomorrow my lecture is at 9:45 now. Right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, tomorrow 9:45.
Yes, ma'am.
And in that lecture, we can see the next concepts such as bridge or isthmus, cut vertex, vertex connectivity, and edge connectivity. Okay. So we will see these topics tomorrow. Thank you.